Very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis, which is given in the Hindu paper on 20th August 2020. So now we are going to discuss the second article of today's editorial session, that is data power. As usual, we are going to cover the vocabulary part, and I'm going to give you the examples of the words which are very complicated to understand. And also, I'm going to briefly analyze you the total article. So the title of the article is Data Power. We'll go into the article. India cannot allow a nexus between influential tech giants and powerful politicians. So what they are saying is, nexus is nothing but collaboration, or you can say connection linking two things, central or focal point. For example, Times Square is the nexus of the New York survey. Okay, so like what they are saying is India must not allow a nexus between tech giants. So tech giants is nothing but technology, or like techies. You call it techies, right? And powerful politicians. So like if these two sectors must not collaborate, must not nexus. An investigative report by the Wall Street Journal last week has raised troubling questions about whether Facebook, the world's largest social media network, goes easy on hate speech violations by BJP leaders so as to be on the right side of the ruling party. So what they are saying, an investigative report by the Wall Street Journal. So the Wall Street Journal has given an investigative report, and it also raised troubling questions about whether Facebook is the world's largest social media network, goes is like, so like will the what are the situations which are going on now? There are some issues going on in the Facebook about the parties, politicians, and all. Whether Facebook will react to the social media, like the messages which are being sent about the politicians or the political parties or not, whether it will erase it or anything. So, like the command will be with the main person of the Facebook, right? So, like it can do anything, just it is explaining what it is going to do, what it is not going to do. World's largest social media network goes easy on hate speech violations by BJP leaders so as to be on the right side of the ruling party. The journal story specifically refers to the case of the BJP's Telangana MLA T. Raja Singh, who it says has not been yet removed from Facebook despite his controversial posts about Muslims that were found to be in violation of its own rules and also deemed dangerous. What is meant by deemed? Regard or consider in a specified way, judge, suppose. For example, this survey is deemed to be reliable barometer of public opinion. So what? Just you could know the meaning of deemed right now. I'll just say the brief explanation of this. The journal story specifically refers to the case of BJP Telangana MLA. BJP's Telangana MLA. The story is saying about BJP's Telangana MLA T. Raja Singh. He is saying that who it says has not been yet removed. That one was not been yet removed from the Facebook despite his controversial posts, controversy one after the other about Muslims that were found to be in violation of its own rules and also deemed dangerous. Elsewhere, Facebook reportedly does remove people with such profile. What does Facebook do? So if anything bad is going on, it will remove. It will. He can't know, but indirectly it will remove the profile of such people and problematic actions from the platform. Radio host Alex Jones and Nation of Islam leader Louis Farrakhan are examples. Okay, so like, will Facebook do this or not? It is saying examples of who which people whom did Facebook remove and all those. In this case, the supposed reason for not acting against Mr. Singh is more problematic than the lack of action itself. For the journal's report goes on to say that Mrs. Anki Das, Facebook Public Policy, who is the director of Facebook Policy in India, Mrs. Anki Das, was against taking this post down as well as of those of three others. She reportedly told her colleagues that punishing violations by politicians from Mr. Modi's party would affect the company's business prospects in the country. Okay, prospects in the country. What is the meaning of prospects? Likelihood, hope, expectation, candidate, possibility. Like there's every prospect of success. The report has predictably raised the political temperature with the Congress demanding a joint parliamentary probe. Some of its leaders have even alleged that this amounts to interfering with Indian elections. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who had the parliamentary panel on IT, has summoned Facebook. The BJP, responding to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's tweet that BJP and RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp in India, has it turned accused the Congress of trying to manipulate data with Facebook's help. This ought not to end as the usual war of words between two political rivals, for there is little doubt that this report raises uncomfortable questions about the possibility of an unholy nexus between those with the power to influence millions of people and those in power. That too in the only country with a billion-plus population that is open to business for such internet companies. It is difficult to deny that the protagonist is nothing but lead a major character in a film, prey supporter. Example, key protagonists of the revolution were hunted down and executed. Okay. And the next protagonist is a powerful social network which till date carries the taint of being the source of the data which the political consulting firm Cambridge Analytica illegally harvested in its quest. What does Mumbai which till date carries the taint of being like you can call taint a stain or mark. You can say trace of an undesirable substance, pollute, spoil, ruin. Example, his reputation was permanently tainted by the financial scandal. Quest is nothing but long arduous search, hunt, pursuit. She went to India on a spiritual quest. Sure, social media platforms in general, having grown rapidly with little content of their own, have struggled on the question of moderating comments and posts. This, however, is much beyond the question of capability. The nature of relationship between Facebook and the government and the rules governing it are now under a cloud. There is a need to dispel misgivings about Facebook lobbying in the corridors of power. Dispel is nothing but banish, eliminate, dismiss, get rid of. For example, we need to dispel myths and establish real facts. Facebook lobbying in the corridors of power. Only a full-fledged inquiry can help reveal the truth. Our article is completed, and what are you thinking the tone of the article would be? Tone of the article will be critical. The tone of the article is critical. Today's article is critical. Okay, so I thank every one of you for watching this video, and I myself feel that everyone is able to understand what I'm explaining, and I thank you a lot. Thank you very much.